Good morning. Today's Friday, March 22nd. And let's first look at the trade yesterday that I pointed out that I was looking for a potential setup. And that was GS, that's Goldman Sachs Group, right? Goldman Sachs. Now we were looking to buy yesterday if the market was able to take out Wednesday's high, right? The high of this tight little inside bar, right at the 50 exponential moving average. As you can see, the market did not take out that high, but instead made a lower high and a lower low. All right, so the market did not fill that order yesterday. If you recall, we were looking at 151.68, 20 cents above Wednesday's high, which was 151.48, right? So as you can see, the market's come down, closed near the low. We've definitely broken through the 50 exponential, but I'm still watching this market, okay? If today, which I'm sure it won't happen, if today were to rally up through yesterday's high, if the market takes out 150.22 to 150.44, I'd be a buyer up in here, okay? But I don't think we're going to get that rally. What I'm hoping is going to happen today is to create an inside pattern, even if we take out yesterday's low marginally, but we see the range being much smaller. I mean, yesterday's range was a pretty big range, right? 150.22 down to 145.37, almost 5 full point range. Okay, so I would like to see today contracted. Whether or not that's an inside pattern or not, I don't really care. Then I'm going to look at this again on Monday, and I'm going to look to buy it through today's high. Okay, so I'm looking for this market to move higher. So basically, this is in a category that I call trades setting up. So I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to watch it and just wait for the setup. Probably on Monday. We'll see. I doubt we're going to stage a big rally in Goldman Sachs today. Okay, now another market that I just got into. Let me explain it a little to you here. It is a Mexican ETF, the iShares MSCI Mexican. Okay, this is the Mexican market right here. Okay. Granted, the market has penetrated down through the 50 exponential moving average, the hot pink. When a market penetrates down through the 50 exponential moving average, of course, I'm a little bit more cautious. So what I'm waiting for is one of my price patterns, right? So look at what we have here. We have two inside bars in a row. We have Wednesday right here, right? A higher low from the prior bar's low and a lower high. And then look at yesterday. We actually got a lower high and a lower low again, or a lower high and a higher low. So we have essentially two inside vertical bars in a row. All right, so the market's really coiling down here, okay? So what I did was I went long this morning as it penetrated up through yesterday's high, and since this ETF is below $100 a share, I'm only going to use a 10-cent penetration through the high of yesterday. Yesterday's high was 71.07, so I am long at 71.17, pretty much even right now. Okay, and my initial stop loss on this, I'm actually going to take and give it a little bit of room. I'm going to go below Wednesday's low, the 20th low. That low is 70.20. I'm only going to go to 70.17. Because look, if the market reverses and takes out yesterday's low and takes out the prior bar's low, I don't want to be there anymore, okay? So I'm going to be at 70.17, right where it looks like it's on the low, but it's actually 3 pennies below Wednesday's low of 70.20, which means I'm long at 71.17. My stop is at 70.17. I'm only risking 1 full point on this trade. That's it. I'm only risking 1 full point on this trade. And so when the market starts to approach a 1-point profit target, I'll make sure not to lose any money on the trade. I'll actually lock in something and take something off the table, but I'll let you know. So this is where I'm at. So the EWW, the Mexican ETF, I am long based on this double inside pattern right in here. Okay, very, very tight stop on this as well. And I've got Goldman Sachs as a watch candidate right here. So I'm hoping the market's really going to contract today, and that'll give us a pretty good trade on Monday. Okay? Have a profitable day. Talk to you on Monday. Bye for now.